Hey y'all, welcome to another Imperfect Produce unboxing. That's right, I got my Imperfect Produce, so I'm going to be cooking ugly, reducing food waste by using the fruits and veggies that are not cosmetically perfect for the grocery store, but completely edible. So here's another cool option about Imperfect Produce. I have been doing some traveling, and it just so happens that my deliveries were scheduled when I was out of town. But I could switch from the even weeks to the odd weeks, or the odd weeks to the even weeks. So I didn't have to go a full 2 weeks without my box because of my travel schedule. So that's another cool option if you do the every other week box like I do. So here's my box. Let's find out what's inside. Okay. Let's see. What do we have? Oh, we have some asparagus. It's a big bunch of it. It's a little skinny asparagus, but it's a big bunch of asparagus that will be perfect for salads or perfect for roasting with a little bacon, a little balsamic vinaigrette. Yum, yum. We got a broccoli crown. I'm the queen of the broccoli. I have a crown. Then we have a couple avocados. Now they're a little hard, so I'll put them in a paper bag, and they'll be ripe in a couple days for avocado toast, because who doesn't like that? Then got some carrots. Yep, got some carrots. They're they look perfectly normal to me. So I don't know what's so imperfect about them. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop. Yes, that's right. Roma tomatoes. I don't know what's wrong with them. They just look perfect. Maybe this one's a little small, but perfectly edible. I'll have some pasta with some Roma tomatoes, some goat cheese, or maybe I'll put them in a salad, or maybe make a pizza. Then we have, what are these? I know they look weird. Like, are they bad orange? No, they are blood oranges. It's blood orange season. That's right. We're at the tail end of it. But these are beautiful blood oranges. Then these, look, you can tell they're a little ugly, but they're clementines. That's right, clementines. So got some citrus in this box. And then, oh wait, there's one more clementine. Look at it. Now, if you saw this in the grocery store, a lot of people would pass it up, but it's still perfectly edible. It's going to be yummy. Then finally, I got some apples, because I almost always get apples in my box because they're so easy to throw in my backpack and just have a snack on the go. So that is my Imperfect Produce box for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to be cooking ugly with all this, having great snacks and everything. And you can be too. Just leave a comment wherever you see this, whether it be Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Leave me a comment and I will give you a link for $10 off your first box so that you can be cooking ugly too. Until then, see you next time.